Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on the euro currency. Well, actually our farmers asking me about the Great British Pound, but today let's finish with the euro currency, so we will make the some brief review on the perspective till the end of the week, because major patterns already stands in place, and tomorrow I'll try to prepare some view on the Great British Pound. So speaking on euro currency, the scenario that we have suggested yesterday and have talked about has been completed. So you can see on the daily chart we've got the Polish grabber. Here this market has dropped below the MACD but closed above it, and this pattern is very important for a daily perspective by two reasons. First of all, it shows clearly the target, so it suggests the taking out of this stop. Second, it creates the invalidation point for the scenario. So if market will drop below 1540 approximately and taking out of these lows, it will mean that some further drop will happen. But until these lows will hold, will stay, the grabber will be valid, and potentially the situation that we see here is bullish. So that's major patterns that we have right now, this major scenario for a short-term period, and we will keep an eye on this from the perspective of this pattern and all other things that we have on the intraday charts. Here is also guys, important detail that since these lows that we have here slightly higher than these lows, it keeps this A, B, C button pattern valid, and it means that the pattern that we have on the follow time frame chart we could follow, and that's why we need to estimate the target not of this A, B, C bottom D pattern, but a bit smaller pattern that could lead us to the reasonable target. Here it's relatively reasonable and it's coincide mostly with this top and stands 1850 approximately. So that probably will be the next target that we'll be watching for here, if indeed this grabber will start to work. So here maybe some, I don't know, it's a lot of different opportunities appear. So it could become, for example, the butterfly, right? So you can see 1618 coincides with the target of the ABCD, and it could become some kind of the butterfly that will spend some time and will make the head and shoulders here is harmonic, because here you can see also kind of the consolidation reminds the shape of the butterfly by the mirror direction. It's mirror side. So forming of the butterfly and kind of the consolidation here will make the head a bit longer in time, and it will be very harmonic from that standpoint. So that's just a suggestion. We do not know what pattern will be formed, but the appearing of this pattern will not be surprising. So anyway, currently the major thing that we'll keep an eye on is the grabber, its invalidation point, and possible upward continuation. That's the cornerstone for a short-term scenario. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you guys particularly could see this ABCD pattern that we talked about. Market precisely hit the COP. After that, this 30% drop has happened. Now market reestablished upward action. So you can see our target has been completed. 2 harmonic swings to the upside and reaching of the weekly pivot point. That's what we have talked about recently. So we said that response on this area will be significant because this is solid support, and when you're taking the long position, you could move your stops to the break-even and just watch what will happen. So you can see the upward action is continuing. Currently, guys, on the hourly chart is a major pattern that will be forming. So as you can see, the downward channel has been broken. This also was important, as we said. And market has formed a kind of the reversal swing, so it's hit 618 resistance. Now it stands in reasonable retracement down. Currently, guys, as you can see, the shape reminds the hand and shoulders pattern. Forming a reversal swing suggests a bit deeper retracement, so I think that we should keep an eye on 2 levels. First of all, 1604, 1608 in the confidence support. That's the first level that we will be watching for. Next level is either 50%, it's around 1590 approximately. This lows cluster corresponds mostly to the 50% support level, and 1578. This is the 618 support. So currently, guys, we do not have clear pattern that could tell us where the market could finish retracement, because we do not have a kind of the ABCD. We do not know, maybe this will be just a V-shaped retracement, one leg down and upward continuation. That's why in the current circumstances, in current condition, when you have the bullish scenario, bullish context, you could split your trading position and take the position gradual on every level. So since we have just two levels, you could take some part of the position here, taking long, and wait what will happen. Market will continue to move lower, take another part, so your average position will be somewhere around 50%. This will be great, so nice entry. Invalidation point for the whole this scenario will be below the lows of the grabber. It's right here. Maybe market will form here some clear pattern. That will be much better. For example, if it will be kind of the ABC retracement, we will get the carcass triple to buy. It's very great. But taking into consideration this fast action, I don't know. It maybe I not exclude the chance that, as I said, it could be just a V-shaped retracement. So just one leg down, hitting the circumference support, for example, and upward continuation. It's also possible. It happens very often. So since we have very good context on the daily chart, we actually do not need too much confirmation only from the intraday price action, and that's why we could, as I said, split our trading position in two parts and wait for some important levels for a taken position in parts. So first, as I said here, next one maybe 50% support, is approximately 50.90. So that's our idea right now on the euro currency. Let's see what we will get, how situation will develop here.